Hi, this is Amazon's customer service. My name is Muhib Islam. Can I please have your full name and the concern you have with your online order? Yes, I'm listening. Mm-hmm. Okay. So what you have received is not the product you have ordered online. I understand. It might be frustrating at times when you don't receive the right order. It was supposed to be a gift. Oh my gosh, it's not for you. Oh, I'm really sorry that I had to hear that. I know. Um, can I kindly have your order number, please? So we can take a look. Okay, I got it. So I created a ticket. This will let you know that there was a misunderstanding with the product, and hopefully you'll get the help from some other representative that I can redirect to. And thank you very much for calling Amazon's customer service.